Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going through 10 different ways to write conditional statements in Python line by line. Here we will cover simple if-else, if-elif-else and nested if, all with real example. Let's start from way 1. So in that first code cell, that is simple if single condition check. So here that print that line number 1, print OA1 simple if statement. Now number is equal to 10, that is the integer value, and the next is if number greater than 5, that is here condition is true because since 10 greater than 5 and block runs. So and next is indented print runs only when condition is true. So if you run that will give that already I got that output, that simple OA1 simple if statement, number is greater than 5. Now coming to that OA2, uh, that OA2 check if equal. So here name is equal to Onun. If name is equal to Onun, so print hello Onun. Okay, so again we got that output OA2 check if equal and hello Onun. And then next is OA3 check multiple values with OR. Okay, so here OR, that is condition is true. If either side is true, then it will give the statement. Here that color, here you can run that, here you also run that. Now here this one, so or condition here, if color is equal to red or color uh, equal to blue, so here color is red, so either one is true, so that will print, means it will go to that print block, print color is red or blue. Now next is print OF4 check if number is in range. So in marks, so that is one variable, here we are storing value 75. If marks greater than 60 and marks less than 100, so either one or both are true. So both are true means that block runs, so print marks are in valid range. Then next is check if string contain character. So here email is the one variable. In that email, uh, that if at the rate in email, then print email has that at the rate symbol. Okay, so that we can easily do that, very easy. Then if else 2 option. Okay, so here way 6, if else for two choices. Here age is equal to 16. If age greater than 18, then print adult, else print minor. So here that age is 16, so obviously it is not true, so else block will run, so print minor. Now again way number 7, check positive or negative. So here number is equal to -5. If number greater than equal to 0, so positive or 0, else print negative. So here that this condition is, first condition is not true, so it will come to the else part, so else block will run, so print negative, so you can get the output. Way 8, even or odd check. So here number is equal to 7. If number percentage 2, means if remainder is equal to 0, then it will be even number. If not, so even 7 divided by 2, so that will give 1, so it is not a even number, so else part will run. Then way 9, compare two number, so a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20. Now here if a greater than b, print a is greater, else print b is greater or equal. Okay, so now here you can check, so 10 greater than b, so that will not true, so obviously b is greater or equal, so that will run. Now way 10, simple password check. So password is 1234. Now if password is equal to 1234, so then it will it is true, so it will run, means that print block will run, so print login successful. If it is not, then it will run here. So here password already you store 1234, so it is okay, this statement is true, condition is true, so it will give that login successful. Similarly way 11, three way choice. So now here score the variable, so that is 85. Now if score greater than equal to 90, okay, so this condition is not true, so as it is not true, so it will go to the elif. So score greater than equal to 75, obviously yes. Okay, so it will print grade B. and after that this 7 to 9 it will not run. Then another is print way12 age group categories. So here age is 15. Now if age less than 13, so print child, so it is false, so it will go to the elif, and age less than 18, obviously it will satisfy, so print teenager. That things will not run, otherwise it will run print adult. Now here if-elif-else, so way 13 traffic light signal, so light is actually yellow. Okay, so light is a variable and yellow is the store uh, value. So if light is equal to green, obviously it is not true, so it will go to the elif. So light is equal to yellow, so print slow down, so slow down will run, so this will run. Okay, so here you can see slow down. Now print wave 14 detail grade system, so marks is equal to 65, so first marks greater than 90, print excellent, so it is obviously not true, it will come next. So if marks greater than 75, again it is not true, so it will come here. Else marks greater than 60, obviously this is true, so it will print average. Okay, now similarly the way 15 temperature category, so temperature is 25, if temperature greater than 30, so print hot, temperature greater than 20, so print warm. So this is true, so it will print warm. Now next is nested loop way 16 nested if positive and even. So now number is a variable, that is a 8. So if number greater than 0, so first if, okay, so this is true, so now print positive number. Inside that, if number percentage 2 means remainder is equal to 0, so then it will be print also even, so that is also true, so it will also even, so that will also print. So here positive number also even. Now nested if else. Okay, so here uh, means nested means within if another if will be there. So here age is 20 and has id, that is true. Okay, now here if age greater than 18, obviously that is true. Now it will go to the next if has id, okay, that is true, so it will print can vote. Okay, so it is here true, so then it will enter here. Okay, again this loop. Okay, so now here if has id, so this is true, so now it will print here, but directly coming out. Okay, so here because this will not run, because earlier it was true. Now another nested way 18 nested admission check. So marks is 80, attendance is 90. So two things are there here, marks and attendance. So first, if first condition marks greater than 75, yes, so true, so then it will go here, and then it will check attendance. If attendance greater than 85, yes, so print admitted. Okay, other things will not run. Then way 90 grade with attendance, so marks is 85 and attendance is 80. If marks greater than 60, okay, so here it is okay, so now it will be come in this loop. Now here attendance greater than 75, uh, obviously yes, so print pass with good attendance. Okay, so that will print. Now next is multiple level testing. So here number is equal to 12. So first here in that first loop, number greater than 0, yes, okay, then it will come here. If number greater than 10, no, so then it will come to the else part. So print positive greater than 0. This is greater than 0, yes, positive. Then here if if number greater than 0, so obviously it is true. Then if number greater than 0, yes, okay, then it will come the number percentage 2 means that remainder is 0, obviously yes, so it will give that positive greater than 10 and even. Okay, so that's the way to put conditional. I hope uh, you learn how to put conditional statement, and from that you can easily write conditional code. I hope this video help you a lot. If this video help you, so please put your likes, subscribe, and do coding. Thank you.